Not filling.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, we'll figure it out. It could be the supplies blocked or something.
I'll be honest, I think my husband messed with that too.
He what?
I think he messed around with that one too, just so you know.
Flipping toilet from hell.
We wouldn't have it any other way.
Yeah, it's one of those skirt toilets, you know. The only person that should wear a skirt is a girl. Never mind a toilet.
Not a toilet.
Oh.
Well, they saw a sucker coming.
Yeah, it might all be full of cholesterol. I've had rich people put these in before.
Really?
Yeah, these toilets, they buy them online and they want you to install them, you know.
Oh, jeez. I didn't think it was that much money.
It's just a miserable
Yeah.
thing to put in because you can't really...
Yeah.
They're pretty. That's about it, you know. It's like a flipping prom queen. It could be that shutoff is full of shit. It's not this. It's got to be the shutoff. It's not this fill valve because this thing has got. I just blew through it, so it's not that. Could be the shutoff.
Oh, wait.
Maybe we might have to shut the water off again and take it apart. Did we get any water out of it? Yeah, I'm getting no water out of it. It's a shut-off. It's in the shut-off that's bad.
Oh, no.
Well, we might be able to fix it. I gotta shut the water off again though, okay?
Okay, do we have to remove that wall again?
Oh no, it's I wasn't able to shut the door 100% anyway.
Okay, good.
The water off. Is there a sink downstairs or like a washing machine or something I could run?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can dump the water down there.
Yeah, there's a sink in the bar and there's the dishwasher. Michael?
Alright, so I got a sink open up downstairs, so this should... I think there's a problem with the washer.
it the shut-off valve?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Was it just all gone?
This is the shut-off valve. There's a washer in there. I think the washer might have fell off. I'm hoping. Nope. Nope. The washer's still in there.
Michael, he took all these parts here. Might be able to take one, but the other side.
Problem is, it's this flipping toilet, the way it's toilet from hell here, you know, you can't.
Skirt toilet.
I don't know.
Only women should wear skirts, not toilets.
You know, the only people that should wear skirts should be a woman.
And the guy that redid this bathroom, he bragged. He said, "This is a long flow toilet." I'm like,
Yeah.
"What?"
Really, we've had nothing
I
but
could
problems.
care less, guy. I just wanted the toilet. We didn't even ask for that.
Yeah.
I'm like, whatever. Long fucking flow toilet.
I don't know. I can even get in there. Fucking thing.
I have to call him at one. Well, I have a meeting with him in 2 minutes. You know, I want to see if I can move the meeting.
That's fine there. Wow, that thing's there, barely even soldered on there. Wow, it's full of cholesterol. I don't know if I can see it. Bitch. You ready for this? Here's the shut-off, comes up through the floor, right, with a handle.
Right.
Look inside there, it's all full of cholesterol. So the water was coming up,
Yeah.
it's blocked before it could even go through the shut-off.
Are you kidding me?
Watch it
Wow.
hot. It's hot.
Is it really?
Yeah. I just took it off with a torch. Watch it
Yeah,
hot.
I know, I'm gonna stop doing that. Wow.
Cholesterol.
That's the toilet. Ew.
So I'll put a new shut-off in there.
God. This is insane. Every single thing in this house.
It happens.
It does?
Yeah, it gets it's like electrolysis.
Ew.
We'll put a new one in there and we'll be all set.
Thank you.
I'm the one that needs a flipping birthday cake today.
You do. I'll tell you what, you want a pizza?
No, I'm
Are you
good.
sure?
Yeah, no, I'm.
Oh. I owe you.
That's why I like this job. It's always something different. It's always like an adventure, right?
Yeah, really. You were, yeah, it's so true. You
It's
weren't
always
expecting
something
all this, right?
It's always something different.
I think I did say in my message I was saving everything.
It's always-
Figure we'll do them all in one shot.
If this wasn't one of them skirt toilets, I would have pulled it off, but it's just too much work.
What makes it different?
What?
What makes it different? Like it's just.
Well, it's got the skirt in there, so you see the bolts are like inside.
Oh yeah.
So
the other ones are on the top, right?
The other one, the bolts you could see, so when you put the toilet on, you could see where it is. This one you can't, because they're underneath.
The only good thing about this toilet, and maybe other toilets have it, is like you just hit that little gray button in the back, you take the whole thing off, I throw it in the tub and sanitize it. Maybe all toilets do that, I don't know, but I love that.
You like the what?
You just like pop that little gray button in the back, and this whole thing comes off.
Oh, the seat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's like so easy, it just comes off and I throw it in there with some cleaner.
Oh, yeah, the seat, yeah.
Yeah, it's good to go. Wow, I can't believe we have such a mess going on here. Well, I can believe it, actually.
Well, I mean, you gotta have the toilet to work.
Yeah, absolutely.
That was kind of an odd one.
Oh,
I mean, it does happen.
yeah. Oh, that thing just took, it takes like 10 minutes to fill up. It's ridiculous.
That other one really wasn't even that solid on there, to be honest with you. Well, let's see if we can get some. Turn the water on. Wow. Wow. Make sure I don't leak. Oh, yeah. I got the water back on. I got this cap back on. I wanted to make sure it wasn't leaking before I put this down. It's filling now. Oh, it should show. I had to take that thing apart and solder it a second time. I didn't show you that, but